Just a snapshot of what's going on in 218 from last year. You see these layers, these outer circles, the community partnerships. I can honestly say we did what we said we were going to do. We had a very good amount of money to be able to put back into our buildings that needed it. 75 years old, 60 years here at Richards, 50 years old at Shepherd. And honestly, our kids deserve it. You deserve to work in better spaces. So we have created spaces for kids to thrive. We need to win in the classroom. We need to win outside the classroom, in our theaters, on our courts, on our fields. We had a conversation about our kids. Let's get them on a college campus. Let's try to get to 100% if we can. 467 freshmen participated and stepped foot on a college campus. I'm optimistic those numbers are going to go up by the time they're a senior, so we're going to try and keep increasing that. If you look at freshman met ACT benchmarks, we saw a huge growth, plus 1.6 composite growth from 10th to 11th grade, which puts us on target for the first time in many years, if ever. Then we saw a nice growth in 10th grade ACT math, 0.6 as a district, and a shout out to Eisenhower High School. Jumped 1. That's a round of applause there. 94% of our kids were enrolled in the AP dual credit or certification course during high school. But this one is really impressive as well. 2009, we only had 124 students of color take AP tests. Last year, over 1,000, making up 60%. Estimate of $2.6 million that our kids have saved in college tuition just last year. Again, it's something to celebrate, something to get out there, that if you come to 218 and you work really hard at it, you can do anything. We got one that going to Dartmouth, Yale, and U of I. Any college you want to go to, any job you're going to get, you can do it all here in 218. No more excuses. So again, let's have a great year, let's get excited about it, and let's be positive about where we're moving as a district. We should be. We're trending up.